Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and today we are eating a whole grilled octopus. I also fried up some zucchinis. They're soft. I didn't make them crispy. I planned on making them into chips, but I was so hungry that I didn't bother putting them in the oven. Okay. So the octopus, I boiled it for about 20 minutes. Well, boiled it for 5, simmered for 20, and cooled down for another 20. And then I just put it on the grill whole. And I grilled the whole thing. And I don't know if you could guess, but from the zucchinis, I wanted to eat my octopus like Greek style. So I bought some tzatziki sauce. And yes, I actually went to a whole separate store to get myself Diet Pepsi. They had no Diet Coke, but I have Diet Pepsi. So I'm super hungry and I'm super excited, so let's get started. Buon appetito! Wow, I haven't had one in so long. It's so good. Okay. So, I'm going to get the tzatziki sauce open. And I basically put... Oh, I forgot my lemon downstairs. I basically boiled... Whoops. Okay, so in a pot, I put a whole lemon cut in half, some thyme, and a cork for tenderness. And then I put in the octopus and I cover it with water and I bring it to a boil. I let it boil for about 5 minutes and then I simmered it, like I said, for 20 and then let it cool down for about 20-25 minutes. Oh gosh, this is going to be a disaster. Okay, I'm just going to get some tzatziki in the plate. And I'm also gonna run downstairs and get my lemon, because no. And I'm back with my lemon, so. I'm just gonna squeeze it on everything, because I like it on everything. But when to eat it, I'm gonna use scissors. Look at that, so good. Here we go. That is so tender. This is so good. I'm also eating it cold because I had to clean it and like take out what I call the third eye on the bottom of the octopus. It was too hot to touch with my hands, so I put in some cold water. Let's get one of these zucchinis. I wish they were crispy. And I wish I also had eggplants. But I was so hungry because the octopus takes so long. I actually wanted to buy this yesterday, but I was too lazy. have another one. This octopus is, I can't believe how big it is. Like, they shrink after you cook them. So when I bought it, I think the man at the store was just being super nice. I'm like, I was waiting in line for a long time. Everybody was buying all kinds of fish and stuff, and it was finally my turn. And I'm like, just one octopus. That's the only reason I'm here. So I picked out a good one, even though it cost $20 for this bad boy. And that's on special too. But it's way cheaper to buy it fresh in the store than it is. Like, there's some like higher end grocery stores that will sell like 3 frozen tentacles for like $20. I spent $20 and I got a whole one. All 8. And no, nothing spicy today. Like I said, I need to give my stomach a break. So messy. I'm like trying not to get a bunch of like the black skin stuck in my teeth. I have some family guests that are coming over soon. I'm gonna greet them with a nice big dirty smile. Wow. I missed some before. I'm gonna be eating octopus for the next few days for sure. But it's a good thing that I love it so much. Often enough when I go to a restaurant, I'll order the octopus. There's so many good ways to eat it. Like, you can eat in sushi. Takoyaki is like probably one of my favorite ways to eat it. Carpaccio is really good too. I think, yeah, it's carpaccio. making an extreme mess right now. So while I was making this, my mom was actually making pasta with meatballs. And I don't know if this has ever happened to you guys. If you're still listening, drop down in the comments below if it has. When you're cooking something and you're so excited to eat it, but then you see someone making something else that looks amazing and you're like contemplating now. I'm smelling pasta and tomato sauce, and I'm looking over at my octopus. I'm like, damn, I could really go for some pasta. But I stayed strong. I definitely wanted to eat octopus, but I'm still thinking about that pasta now. It's like when you were in elementary school and one kid's mom brought them McDonald's. It was over. Could not bring McDonald's, kid. And you got all those little kids who are like, I'll be your best friend if you give me some. Thanks, don't need no friends. Especially when you got McDonald's. That's not true. You should have friends. Make friends. Don't choose McDonald's over friends. When I was a fat kid, I was not going to share my McDonald's. I'll never forget, I went to a birthday party. I feel like it was my birthday party at McDonald's. And they were coming, bringing our food. And I got what I used to always get, which was chicken nuggets. And this one kid, who shall remain nameless, I got my food first. And he just like reached over and grabbed one of my chicken nuggets, and one bite just popped that thing in his mouth. And let me tell you, I was mad. Why would you ever steal someone's chicken nugget? Why? Why would you do that to somebody? On my birthday. I think it was my birthday, I'm not even sure. So good. Tzatziki sauce is just like freaking heaven. Every time my sister and I go to a Greek restaurant, we order our food and we're like, plus, can we have a plate of tzatziki sauce? And sometimes you get those waiters that are like, oh, but the zucchinis come with them, or the octopus comes with it, and we're like, no, you don't understand. We need a whole plate of tzatziki sauce. Like, I need more tzatziki sauce than actual food. It's just so good. At least it's not as bad as when you're eating the Lebanese garlic sauce, because that stuff, you will smell it from a mile away. Like now, I got like the onion vibe going, but the garlic vibe, that's a crazy one. Wow, my hands are so dirty. Alright guys, that was super delicious. Thanks so much for eating some grilled octopus and zucchini with me. And I'll see you guys with another video. Ciao.